Have you ever noticed that the greatest opportunities in the stock market usually appear when everyone else is running for the exits? Most investors see a bear market as a disaster. John Templeton saw it as an invitation. That single difference in perspective helped him become one of the greatest investors in history. When stock prices begin to fall, fear spreads quickly. Headlines predict more losses, social media amplifies panic, and many investors rush to sell, hoping to avoid further pain. But Templeton understood something timeless. Markets are emotional in the short term, and emotions often push prices far below a company's true value. He famously believed that the best bargains are found at the point of maximum pessimism. Think about that for a moment. The very moment most people are convinced the future is hopeless is often the moment extraordinary opportunities begin to appear. It's uncomfortable, even frightening, but that's exactly why so few people take advantage of it. This wasn't blind optimism. Templeton didn't buy simply because prices were falling. He searched for strong businesses selling at deeply discounted prices, knowing that fear can temporarily separate price from value. While the crowd focused on today's bad news, he focused on what those companies could become years down the road. Imagine walking into your favorite store during the biggest sale of the year. You wouldn't complain that quality items are suddenly cheaper. Yet many investors do exactly that when the stock market offers similar discounts. Templeton understood that lower prices, when backed by solid fundamentals, could be a gift rather than a warning. His greatest edge wasn't predicting the future, it was mastering his own psychology. He knew that successful investing is often less about intelligence and more about discipline, patience, and the courage to think independently when everyone else is following the crowd. The next time a bear market arrives, remember this lesson from John Templeton. Fear creates noise, but patience creates wealth. Market downturns don't last forever, yet the opportunities they create can shape a lifetime of investing success. If this lesson changed the way you think about investing, consider subscribing and sharing it with someone who could use a calmer perspective the next time the market turns red. Sometimes the greatest investment lesson isn't about timing the market, it's about mastering yourself.